Hey everybody, let's take a quick look at the verb ir in Spanish, which means to go. So I go would be yo voy. You go is tú vas. He or she goes, él, ella, va. You formal go, usted va. We go would be nosotros vamos. You guys go in Spain, vosotros vais. And they go would be ellos or ellas van. And you guys go, ustedes van. So write this down if you need these notes. Here are a couple ways you could use this right away if you're in Mexico, say, and you want to be able to talk to people. Maybe you come up to a public bus and you want to ask if the bus is going to a certain place. You could ask the driver, "Vas al," and then the place. So "Vas al Zócalo" is like, are you going to the main plaza? Maybe you want to say, are you going to the beach? "Vas a la playa." If you want to ask your friends, maybe where are we going? You can say that middle question, "¿A dónde vamos?" And then the last one, maybe you just come to a taxi and you want to tell them where you're going, see if they can take you there. You could just say voy for I'm going, and then to the place. So voy al museo or voy a la playa, and then they could tell you, see or know if they can take you there or not. So you may have noticed in those couple sentences I had there for you that after the vas or the voy, you saw an all or an a la. Well, what's the difference between those? I'll explain that right now. So if you're using this verb ir and the person is going to a place that is a feminine noun, like the beach, which is la playa, you would say a la playa. So I'm going to the beach, it'd be voy a la playa. If you're going to a place that's a masculine noun, like el restaurante, what happens is that the a and the el combine to become one word, and you say voy al restaurante. That's only going to happen if it's a in front of that L. Those become one word. If there's a place in Spanish, you'll see this is if you have the word de in front of an L, it becomes del. Just FYI for you. All right, so if you want to do some practice, I'm going to put links to 3 different crosswords in the description of the video. I'm going to show you what they look like right now, so that you can understand how to do them. Okay, so this one says ir plus a plus a place, lugar. So if it's just the ir, like number 1 right here, nosotros ir, you just put the nosotros form of ir, which is vamos for we go. If it says something like this in English, you got to put it into Spanish. So I go to school, I go is voy, and then to school is going to be a la escuela. So the ones that are in English put into Spanish, and if it just says that, you just put the conjugation of the verb ir. On this one that says ir plus a plus lugar, you're going to say where the people are going. So, for example, number 4 here says ella and then the museum. So you're going to say she's going to the museum. So you're going to put va for she's going, and then a for the verb to, but keep in mind that it's el museo. So that a and the el will become one word. I don't know why this is over there. So you have va, al, and then museo. So all of those will start with voy, vas, va, vamos, or van, and then a la or all, and then the place that's listed on there. And the last one is this, which I didn't go over yet, but it's going to be good to know. You can use the verb ir to talk about what people are going to do. So like if you want to say, I'm going to watch TV, you would say voy a, that's going to be like the I am going to part, and then just put watch TV after it, and you don't change the watch part. So voy a mirar la televisión. Or maybe you want to say, we're going to work. To work is trabajar. So to say this, you're going to say, vamos a trabajar, and that's we're going to work. So for all of these ones, you're going to say the correct form of ir first. So for she, it's going to be va, and then always put the a after it when you're saying what someone's going to do. So va a, and then the verb to play is jugar. I'll do one more for you since we just started going over this. So I'm going to see, I am going is going to be that word voy, and then a, and then the verb to see, which is ver. So that's what this one's practicing. All right, so that's kind of it for the verb ir, which means to go in Spanish. Hopefully it makes more sense to you now. I have a question for you there on the screen, and it's ¿Qué vas a hacer hoy? Which means, what are you going to do today? My answer to that question is Yo voy a trabajar, for I'm going to work. Maybe in the comment section you can tell me what you're going to do today by saying voy a, and then just put a verb after it, and let me know what you're going to do. Okay, hasta luego.